All right, carpet cleaning world. This is Roger Lloyd, and I'm here in Pottstown, Pennsylvania at the Brookside Diner. And I have tonight a good friend of mine from Superior Cleaning Solutions, also here in Pottstown, David Beto. So let's see how he likes my new Dangpro wand here.
So far so good, Roger.
Okay, let me get you back in full. So far so good? Oh, good.
Doing a great job.
Oh yeah. Let me get on the other side of you. I'm running out of range here. So, David, the Dangpro wand, this is your first time using it, right, buddy?
Yes.
And you just knocking it right out. Look at that difference there.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at, wow. So we're running it, right. Look at how it cut the entryway there. That's crazy.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
It's amazing.
Yes, sir. Now, everybody, this is the Dangpro 3 wand. This is the 2-inch pole. We also have it in a 1.5-inch right here. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness. Look how this wand is. Now, the reason we got David here, because he... All right. Here we go. Look at that. The Dangpro wand. Cleaning it right up. And we got Dave here from Superior Cleaning Solutions, who's a neighboring carpet cleaner here in Pottstown, because I didn't want to just use my employee because he might be biased. So we got a whole nother carpet cleaning company here. And my friend David Beto, and this is the first time he's used the Dangpro.
Very nice.
Very nice. Now we can get you one of these wands. You can give us a call or inbox me today, and we can talk about it. As you can see, it has my company colors as green, and that's the pole there, and it's just cleaning right on. You want to brand yourself. Nice and easy. Dave and I are older guys. We don't need something that's going to be difficult.
Wow, look at that.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes. Hey Dave, check the swivel out. Swivel it a little bit. How's that feel, Dave? Is anything wrong with the swivel?
No,
Nice and easy. Let's look at this tube there. That's the seeing glass tube. Look at all that soil is pulling up. Look at that tube.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh my God, can you see it?
Look at that.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah.
Took it right out.
Okay, took it right out. The Dangpro, everyone.
I'm getting one.
You want to get one? All you gotta do is let me know when you're ready, buddy. Get one shipped right to you. Dave, David here, slide this out the way. Slide that on that floor for the Dave here, so we can get this here entryway. Get you 5 seconds there, Dave. Let you take a break. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man, it's just brightening the rug right on up. And you knocked off the whole entryway to this restaurant like it wasn't nothing to it.
No time at all.
Wow. Dave, my employee Dave, come back here and pick up this hose for Dave Beto, please. Thank you very much. You're fine. We're just trying to keep this production going because we got about 8 people watching.
Is this carpet there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Are you kidding me? You can even do the side panels? Wait, Dave, slow down. Let me let the guys see how you turned the wand around with the swivel, and you're even able to get the corners. You got to be kidding me right now. Everyone, the Dangpro. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this. Do you know how this is impressive to the client? How many of you would normally have to take off the wand and grab your upholstery tool if you even do the edges? Look at that. Oh yeah, wow. We got to shoot. Yeah, that piece was right there.
Suck that up.
Yeah. Well. Okay. Wow. All right, everyone. David Beto from Superior Cleaning Solutions came out here tonight to meet me at the Brookside Diner here in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, where we reside at. And he's testing out the Dangpro wand. So it's not like I'm being biased, just telling you how much I like it. Wow. Oh, right. Wow. Look at this. Look how he can turn it around. And he can just turn the swivel and get the edges. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? Troy McCoy is saying, Roger, you're welcome for the new head on the wand. I don't even know what you're talking about. Why am I thanking you for the head on the wand? I don't understand. But it doesn't matter. That just, I don't know what you mean. You didn't give me this head. I got this head from, anyway, guys. Yep. Nice. Hey, one of the moderators, or Janae or Dion, can you delete that statement by Troy McCoy? I don't even know what he's talking about. Can you delete that statement there? Just delete him from we're not dealing with the nonsense anymore. Why should I thank him for the head? I don't get it. Just delete that comment, okay? Thanks a lot, guys. Look at that. Now, Dave Beto, how long have you been cleaning carpets, buddy?
74.
74, Jesus Christ. I was born in 71, for crying out loud. Wow.
They didn't have you back then.
Yes, sir. Everyone, the Dangpro. If you like what you're seeing, inbox me today or give my office a call at 484 420-7220. Janae, put the number up so they can contact us if they're interested and they like what they see with this tool here. Let's get a picture of that glass, Dave. Go ahead and do a little, trying to keep up with you. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, go ahead, buddy. Yep. Look at that. Just pulling it right out of there. Looks like the water's even brown, for crying out loud. This is a good deal here.
There's not much water in there.
No.
It's pretty dry.
Dried it right up.
Yeah. Look at that.
It's not even, you're doing your dry stroke, it's not even a whole lot of water coming out. Wow.
Wow.
Very good tool. Look at that tube. You can just see how it's just pulling that water right out of there. Let me go. I'm losing you here. There you go. You move a little too fast for me. That's okay. They see that's how good the tool is. It's just moving that fast, right along. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, let's knock her down. All right, so this is the Dangpro, everyone. Very good tool. David Beto, tell him one more time how you feel about it.
Great tool.
Great tool.
I'm impressed. It's light, not too heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Does a good job of sucking the water up.
Right. And you've been doing this since '74, so you have all the experience in the world with different tools, right, Dave?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
All right, everyone. We're going to finish this section of the diner, and then when we come back in the next video, we're going to show you the Eric Hiltz zipper so you can make some decisions for the new season, what tools you want to think about investing in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, see you in the next one. Thanks again for helping us out tonight, Dave.
Oh, no problem.